This new OPPO smartwatch really looks a bit like a Rolex, friends. The quality is really nice. The Android watch has been updated again, and this is their brand new OPPO Watch X2. I pulled some strings and got 3 color options. After all, everyone knows that the appearance is really important for smartwatches nowadays. This color is called Desert Silver Moon. This color, for those familiar with OPPO, has been around since the X6 generation, right? It's very understated and luxurious. The second color is called Thousand Peaks Blue, and it's said to be their main color this time. Let's peel off the protective film. Oh, wow. This really looks like a Rolex. Everyone, this should be called the Blue Submariner, right? Look at the titanium alloy bezel on top. It emphasizes a high-end, textured, and wear-resistant feel. And this rotating crown, it's quite stress-relieving. Finally, what I'm bringing to you is their black color this time, which I personally think is a color that surprised me a lot. Let's light up the dial. Don't you think the black is more classic and versatile? Additionally, let me tell you that the black strap is slightly different from the other two. I personally think this color is very suitable to pair with the black of the A5. For a good-looking smartwatch, the dial is naturally very important. This time, OPPO has also introduced 3 brand new dials. Look at the Desert Silver. It features dunes, and you can interact with it. How about it? Isn't it quite intriguing? Of course, it also has an always-on display. The Inkstone Black features a volcano, which I find very cool. Is there a Thousand Peaks Blue color option? The dial inside is a small mountain peak. I also need to emphasize that you can customize this dial in various ways. When we click on personalization, you can change the items displayed in the highlighted area. Of course, we also need to wear it on the wrist to let everyone experience this dial. With the screen off display, doesn't it look even more like the Blue Submariner family? We all know the appearance of a 20,000 model. For a smartwatch, connectivity is definitely important. Being able to connect with the N5 as a flagship partner is a given, and it can also connect with an iPhone. Look at this familiar interface. In the dial store, where we can see a wide variety of exquisite dials for you to choose from. But I want to emphasize that this time, don't they have the live photo feature to use as a watch face? Well, iPhone can use it too. Look, we click to edit the album watch face to add, and please note, this is a live photo I just saved. We click apply and look, it has appeared on my OPPO Watch X2. I also checked, and when connected to an iPhone, most of the features can be used except for the snore detection. As for other Android phones, we won't mention them, they can definitely be connected. Next, let's look at the system. First of all, the UI of the OPPO Watch X itself is very smooth, which has been the case for many years. This is why OPPO is often referred to as the king of Android watches. And I think there's no doubt about that. Chatting with your friends using a smartwatch is definitely important for those of us who love fitness. For a smartwatch released on the 4th day of the lunar month, health features are, of course, also very important. By swiping left, you can see that it has sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, and it also offers a 60-second health check with a 2.0 operating method. It's very simple. You just press it, wait quietly, and it's done. I have to say, this feature is really important for us young people nowadays. Additionally, OPPO has introduced a high-risk hypertension detection feature this time. As long as you wear it continuously for 7 days, they can assess your risk, which is even more user-friendly for young people. At this point, some friends might ask, how's the battery life of this watch? Big head. Well, those familiar with OPPO know that they have a long battery life mode, as well as a full smart mode. In full smart mode, the battery lasts for 3 days, while in smart mode, it lasts for 16 days. Compared to the previous generation, it lasts even longer. Additionally, there are a few small details that I think OPPO has done very well. Look at our Chang'an watch face. It will tell you which watch face is medium power consumption, which is high power consumption, and which is low power consumption, allowing you to choose according to your needs. Additionally, when you go to sleep at night, you'll find it automatically switches to long battery life mode to save power. In the morning, you can switch it back. So, you don't need to worry about battery life. If you particularly enjoy exercising with a smartwatch, then this time, the OPPO Watch X2 naturally comes with dual screen GPS as well. It uses the same chip as the O Circle 2, and on this basis, OPPO has done something quite remarkable. They have created a badminton sports mode. How should I put it? For those friends who love playing badminton, it's more user-friendly. So what do you think? Friends, the OPPO Watch X2 is more attractive, smarter, has stronger battery life, and is more health-friendly. No objections to calling it the Android Watch King 2.0, right? Goodbye.